If you shave your intimate parts, watch this video before doing it. Shaving hair has become a sexy fashion for many men and women. Did you know that in the eagerness to see you sexy in privacy you can damage your health? Depilating your intimate area can make you a victim of the human papillomavirus, HPV. The wounds that occur in the hair follicle when depilating the intimate area become an easy access door for the VHP, which requires minimal wounds to infect and create bacteria. The removal of hair can cause vaginal infections or herpes, because it is the hair that prevents bacteria from entering the genital area. In addition, the pubic hair keeps the female genitalia at the ideal temperature. The pubic hair, although it sounds incredible, is a natural shock absorber for the blows and irritations and prevents that harmful substances can enter the intimate zone. The ideal is to perform a trimming of the area or a lateral depilation, but not the total extraction. This way you will avoid incarnated hair, scars and so on. For you to take into account, we have for you a list of the reasons why, before shaving your pubic hair you will think twice. 1. Irritation of the area. Whether with razor, or with any chemical substance such as wax, if you suffer from sensitive skin will be possible to have irritation, as the skin will be in direct contact with jeans or lace underwear, with a specialist. 2. Sexually transmitted diseases. According to the study, since the hair removal boom, infections like human papillomavirus, HPV, have increased. One of the functions of pubic hair is to stay away and protect you from infections. 3. It is more comfortable. Oddly enough, specialists point out that it is one of the ways to cushion the blows, irritations and even friction with the skin of other people. It also prevents substances such as hot water from the shower head from hitting you. 4. Psoriasis or eczema. When you have diseases like diabetes or a skin disorder such as psoriasis, you should consult your doctor, because if you do not choose the right method you could aggravate your condition, suffer a burn, even a mortal infection,